Bacalao Guisado is a Puerto Rican staple. This salted codfish stew is a super cozy dish that is packed with veggies, sofrito, garlic, lots of spices. It's got a super rich tomatoey broth and of course flaked salted codfish, which gives it this super salty, delicious flavor. This is one of my favorite dishes to make during the colder winter months. It's really great to serve over some rice or over steamed yuca, and it's quite simple to make once the codfish is prepped. So let me show you how to do it. So we're starting with 1 pound of salted codfish. If you've never worked with this before, it is basically cod that is preserved with salt. And the result is this salt crusted fish that does need to be prepared a certain way so that it doesn't add too much salt into whatever you're cooking. Now, the traditional method of doing this is letting it soak for anywhere from 12 to 24 hours to really break down that salt, and you drain the water multiple times during that long period. But a shortcut I like to use is rinsing the cod thoroughly first, soaking the codfish in fresh water for 30 minutes on the countertop just to really try and break down as much of that salt as possible before draining that water out completely, rinsing the fish a little bit more, and then covering it again with fresh water in the same pot over the stovetop. We're gonna bring it to a boil and just boil this fish for about 30 minutes with that fresh water. I found that this technique does a really good job of breaking down most of the salt and straining it out when we drain that water. I will say that it's not as perfect of a technique as waiting for the 12 or 24 hours. So if that is your preferred method with working with this fish, go for it. But I find this method to be really helpful when I'm in a pinch and I don't have time to prepare as much for this recipe. So once it's boiled for about 30 minutes, we'll remove the codfish from the water and we're just going to transfer it to a bowl and flake it apart with 2 forks. So just take a couple minutes to do this before we move on to building the base to our bacalao guisado. For the base of our stew, we are starting in a caldero over medium heat with some achiote oil. If you don't have achiote oil, you can just use olive oil. And then we are adding an onion as well as our green and red bell peppers to the pot. We just want to saute this together for a few minutes just to get the onions and peppers a little bit cooked down. And once we've sauteed these for maybe like 3 or 4 minutes, then we can go ahead and add in our garlic and sofrito, and we'll mix that in to make sure that we are incorporating all of those flavors, coating all of the veggies with that sofrito, and cooking until that and the garlic becomes fragrant. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in our tomato sauce. I like to use a cup, but it's up to you how tomatoey you like your stew to be, so you can add more or less depending on that. Then we're adding in our pimento olives, our sazon, some oregano, and black pepper. You'll notice that we're not adding any salt. It is not necessary as the salt codfish is gonna add plenty of that naturally, which we are returning back to the pot at this point, as well as some water. Then we're just gonna turn the heat up to high to bring that liquid to a boil before adding some sprigs of fresh cilantro, or you could do culantro here also. And then from there, this only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get all stewed together, covered, before you are ready to serve this and enjoy. You'll see that the broth has really thickened and that flaky fish has really saturated with that broth, creating this incredibly warm and cozy stew. So it's totally up to you how you serve this. Like I said before, it's great with rice or some yuca that's steamed. I like topping mine with some fresh minced cilantro, maybe a squeeze of lime juice, and then some fresh avocado. Buen provecho!